My father, missieri. Your father, missierek. His father, missieru. Her father, missiera. Their father, missierom. Our father, missierna. My mother, ommi. Your mother, ommok. His mother, ommu. Her mother, omma. Their mother, ommom. Our mother, omna. My brother, hija. Your brother, huk. His brother, huch. Her brother, hua. Their brother, huom. Our brother, huna. My sister, أختي. Your sister, أختك. His sister, أخته. Her sister, أخته. Their sister, أختهم. Our sister, أختنا. My son, ابني. Your son, ابنك. His son, ابنه. Her son, بنا. Their son, بنم. Our son, بنا. My daughter, بنتي. Your daughter, بنتك. His daughter, بنته. Her daughter, بنتا. Their daughter, بنتم. Our daughter, بنتنا. My nephew, النبوتي تيي. Your nephew, النبوتي تيك. His nephew, النبوتي تيو. Her nephew, النبوتي تاها. Their nephew, النبوتي تاهم. Our nephew, النبوتي تانا. My niece, النبوتية تيي. Your niece, النبوتية تيك. His niece, النبوتية تيو. Her niece, النبوتية تاها. Their niece, النبوتية تاهم. Our niece, النبوتية تانا. My auntie, تيتي. Your auntie, تيتك. His auntie, تيتو. Her auntie, تيتا. Their auntie, تيتم. Our auntie, تيتنا. My uncle, تيوي. Your uncle, تيوك. His uncle, تيوخ. Her uncle, تيوا. Their uncle, تيوم. Our uncle, تيونا. My siblings, خوتي. Your siblings, خوتك. His siblings, خوتو. Her siblings, خوتا. Their siblings, خوتم. Our siblings, خوتنا. My wife, المرأة تيي. We also use marti, your wife, il-mara tiegħek, or martek, his wife, il-mara tiegħu, or martu, her wife, il-mara tagħha, or marta, their wife, il-mara tagħhom, or martom, our wife, il-mara tagħna, or martna. My husband, ir-raġel tiegħi, or żewġi, your husband, ir-raġel tiegħek, or żewġek, his husband, ir-raġel tiegħu, or żewġu, her husband, ir-raġel tagħha, or żewġa, their husband, ir-raġel tagħhom, or żewġhom, our husband, ir-raġel tagħna, or żewġna. My fiancé, l-arus, l-arusa tiegħi, your fiancé, l-arus, l-arusa tiegħek, his fiancé, l-arus, l-arusa tiegħu, her fiancé, l-arus, l-arusa tagħha, their fiancé, l-arajjes tagħhom, our fiancé, l-arajjes tagħna. My grandfather, in-nannu tiegħi, or nannui, your grandfather, in-nannu tiegħek, or nannuk, his grandfather, in-nannu tiegħu, or nannuh, her grandfather, in-nannu tagħha, or nannuha, their grandfather, in-nannu tagħhom, or nannuhom, our grandfather, in-nannu tagħna. My grandmother, in-nanna tiegħi, or nanti, your grandmother, in-nanna tiegħek, or nantek, his grandmother, in-nanna tiegħu, or nantu, her grandmother, in-nanna tagħha, or nannita, their grandmother, in-nanna tagħhom, or nannithom, our grandmother, in-nanna tagħna, or nannitna. Great grandfather, buż-nannu, great grandmother, buż-nanna. Father-in-law, kunjatu, mother-in-law, kunjata.